Hello, beautiful Virgos. Welcome back to your relationship reading for the month of December 2020. I hope the life is treating you well. Now, at least I can say it is treating me well because finally I've got rid of cold, and I'm not coughing in the videos because I'm feeling much better now. Last 2 weeks were very difficult, but then finally I have recovered at least 80%. I can say 20% is still on its way. So I'm sure I will have complete recovery very soon. Let's get ahead with your readings. So I am reading these cards for you for the month of December 2020. This is only your relationship reading. I will not be touching upon the financial aspect or any other aspect of your career or your life. Also, if you want to get your personalized readings done with me, you can reach me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. You can telegram me also. You can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead and now, just get on to it now. I am flipping cards now for you. I want to see what energies are you inviting for yourself. Okay, and a lot of strong energies are there. Okay, Virgo. Looks like you're dealing with someone who's very aggressive in nature, or someone who thinks he's smart as per them, but they are over smart as per you. The energy for a couple of you is very cold energy. You are dealing with people who like putting people down in front of them, and they don't care about their emotions. That's very important one. Second, they want to rule you, so they want you to be someone who's following them blindly. So that's another energy I see in your cards. And second, and the third thing which I see here is, whenever these kind of cards come in a picture, I always tell people that if you can move on in life, you're not committed, you are not in an abusive if you're not in an abusive relationship, it is like a day-to-day affair, it is still better. But then if you're not in a commitment and it is an abusive relationship wherein you are getting physically harmed, you are getting emotionally harmed at the same time, and you are disrespected in front of your kids. Do remember, if you're disrespected in front of your kids, just move on in life. That's my take. Okay, because you set examples for your kids yourself, and if they see you taking abuse, then trust me, they will write it in their own Bible that taking abuse is okay in a relationship, which is not at all okay. Don't take abuse in a relationship. Okay, and I'm going back to your cards now. Very first week, you want to plan something, but you are confused. Maybe in a relationship you want to take a decision now that you want to be with this person or you don't want to be with this person. I feel a need of clarifying this card again. I'm just pulling some clarification cards for Virgo. The first week I have Two of Wands appeared in the reading, which talks about some kind of a planning for you, Virgo. I want to see what this planning is. Okay, all right. I think are you planning a family right now? Your family way, because it is a complete emotional kind of a card which has come in picture. Stability in terms of having a family, starting a family is something which is on cards right now for few of you. And I think that lot is a little confused right now, because maybe they feel they're not on the right path. There is something which is going wrong. Emotional stability is something what you are craving for. Okay, in the month of December. That's what I feel. Sense of satisfaction is what you are craving for, so you are targeting that also. So first week is it is more focused and with a little bit of confused energies, that you know what you want, but how will you reach at that stage is something which is a little dicey here. You don't know that, or maybe that is not happening. Okay, that's first week. The second week here is something which talks about what? The second week here, it is talking about a cold partner. The same energy I was talking about at the initial stage of the reading. This cold partner, you're in a relationship right now, and I will be very, very straightforward here. You're married, that's what I see. And in marriage, your in-laws interfere a little too much in your life, be it the girl's parents or maybe the boy's parents. Intervention is over intervention of people in your life, and that is very worrisome here. Okay, now problem here is that your partner is not supportive. So one, you're getting blunt from people around you, okay, and second, your partner is in his own life, he or she is into his own life, or looks like they have built their own castle independently, alone, individually. You're not a part of it. So this is a separate life they are living, and the base of that life is that they think they are superior and you don't match up with at that level or their level. They think they're very smart, they're very interactive, I will say, I'll use the right word. They're proud about their looks, and this is why they think that you don't stand in front of them anywhere. This is again a different kind of abuse, I will say. This is an emotional abuse wherein you do not treat your partner equally, because it is an equal contribution of two partners in a relationship, and that's what you need to be focusing on. And that equality is missing in this relationship. So think about it. Think about it very, very seriously. And this goes for people also watching my video right now. If your kids are married, give them some space, their own space, so that they build a bond, they build a partnership between each other. Tomorrow when you will not be there, the partners are the only ones whom they can really trust upon and they can rely upon. If you will keep on intervening in their relationship, you will spoil the relationship completely. Tomorrow when you are not there, they will not have their partners also standing by their side because of you, and you will repent it, I don't know where, in that world, the other world. So please control your emotions well. Third week, confused energies, Virgo, a little bit confused energies. You're moving to the third week here, very well. And here I see some legalities are getting sorted out. Now if you were a part of some legal issues, or maybe you were a part of something which is to do with money disputes which are in court right now for settlement, so something legal documentation is something which is going to be getting sorted out in the month of December. Third week is very positive from that perspective. So I will say that if you are in a separation way, or you file for a divorce or something like that, I think the decision of that will get sorted out in the month of December, third week. So this is more to do with your energies, and that's very important. But then I will advise you that if there is a scope of reunion, there is scope of adjustment somewhere, do that, because after separating also you will not be happy. So that's what, and both of you will not be happy. It's not about one person, both of you will not be happy. Okay, maybe the next partner will be all the more worse. I don't see the positivity of that separation here. So try to work it out, okay, at a mutual consent or something like that. All right. Energies are very, very important for you till third week, because important things are happening your way. The fourth week is actually making you deal with again another cold energy. Now this cold energy belongs from this lot. Remember I told you that a lot of people who are intervening in your life, this lot, one person becomes over aggressive. Okay, now this person, because the separation thing has happened, separating things are happening, things have gone in court, legalities have come in here, this person wants to put you down like anything. So protect yourself well. This one person is going to put you down, put all his energies or his energies into something wherein they have decided that either my way or highway kind of a thing, or maybe they're thinking in their mind they'll kill you if you don't follow them. So they want you to put your foot down in front of them in a way that you follow them. So leave your, whatever wishes you have, your plans, everything, and be their slave. Don't do that. Okay, you have your own mind, you have own your decisions. Follow that, because I'm telling you this because you might have to deal with someone like this. Your partner might act someone like this. These people, they don't know the real meaning of happiness. They actually compare. No, I will not say compare, but then they equalize both the things. So for them, being slave of someone and giving everything to one person and following that person is true love. But then it is not true love. I will say that respect individuality of other person also. You have a different characteristics. I have different characteristics. If you will criticize me for what I am, then what kind of a love is that? That's what which is happening here. So please Please take care of that. Last week actually gives you some unexpected improvement in your relationship also. Maybe you will get rid of this person if you have this kind of a person involved here. This person has to do something from a legality documentation perspective. So deal with this person very, very well. I'm giving you an angel message also, so that I want angels to advise you, because December is going to be a difficult month for you in the month here, and a lot of people, a lot of areas, different areas will resonate with you. It will not be 100% resonation of your feelings or your life. Few areas will impact you and others will impact others. Since it is a generic reading, reach me for your personalized reading. And before that, I am pulling one card for you, which is your relationship card, and it's angel's message. It says base chakra. Choose only positive words and thoughts while describing your home, career opportunities. If I ask you, how are you doing? Don't say I'm not doing well, my career is not going in the right direction, my love life is all not doing well. Talk about the positives which are there in your life, because maybe this is a manifestation month for you. If you talk positive, you get positive. So do that. Take care, good luck, and God bless you. Reach me for your personalized readings and be happy. Bye-bye.